How to wipe cache partition on Samsung phone. First, power off the device. Tap on power off and then tap on power off. After that, you want to connect the phone to a computer with a USB cable. So make sure your computer is switched on. Then after that, we're going to press on the side button plus the volume up key. Make sure you see the charging symbol first before you go ahead. So press and hold on both keys, volume up and side button. So press and hold until you see the Samsung logo appear or until you see the Android recovery menu. So here, just hold on for a few more seconds. Okay, now we can let go of the button and you should be able to see Android recovery menu. Okay, so in here we're going to use the volume down button to navigate to the next menu item. So you want to press down until you see it said wipe cache partition. Now be careful that you don't select factory reset. And then you press on the side button here to confirm your selection. So press on that and then press on the down button or press on the down key and then select yes by pressing on the side button here. You can see down here it says wipe cache partition and it's very fast. It says format cache and cache wipe complete. And at the top here on the menu, it should select reboot system now and then press on the side button to select. And that's it. That's how you can wipe cache partition on your Samsung device. Thank you for watching this video.